So this is how you're going to build your platonic solids. First of all, cut out the circles. It doesn't matter if it's the triangle or the square or the pentagon. You need to line up your ruler along the black line on your circle, and then just pull the flap up and kind of like press it up so that it's kind of folded slightly. Do this for all of the sides of your shape. You don't want it to be over the line. You want it to be on the line, and just gently rub your finger along it. As you do this I would cut out all your circles first and then start folding all your edges before you try to glue anything. Make sure you cut out and fold first. Then also you can decorate your shapes as well. Now you're going to need one of these. It's called a burnisher, and it's going to help you fold a crisp line. Just gently rub it along. Not gently. You got to put a little pressure on there. But that's going to give you a crisp fold. This is something that is commonly used when doing like origami, or if you have this way your finger's not going to hurt. Share the burnishers with the people around you. I only have so many of them. And then see how that gives a nice crisp line. Set that aside and do that on the next one. So again, you have to pay attention, especially if you're doing like the dodecahedron or one of the larger platonic solids. You need to make sure you get all of your pieces cut out, folded, crisp edges, decorated before you assemble anything. And it's very important that you pay attention, especially if you're doing the triangles. Pay attention to which way you are facing the point of, the apex or top of the triangle. Now, these are equilateral triangles, meaning that all sides are equal. So getting them in the right line might prove to be difficult, but you can do it. Now, you're going to place glue on the flaps only, not on the back side of the shape. And only put glue on the two flaps that you plan on connecting together. So I'm just doing a quick gluing sample for you. I'm not actually doing the design. But as you can see, the triangles, one has a point up and one has point down. So if you're doing the larger one, you will need a series of those, up, down, up, down, up, down. Now, take out your glue. As you can see, I have a glue stick up there. And glue one edge. Don't try and get fancy and rub glue on a bunch of edges. Do one edge. Try to get to the end as much as you can. And then glue your next edge. Please make sure which edge you're trying to glue. Don't start gluing an edge that isn't facing the right direction. And then you're going to hold your edges together and match up the lines, not the circle portion. Match up the edge that you just folded, not your circle. Because if you do that, then if your circle is cut unevenly, it'll still work out. As you can see, the shape of the triangle is pointed down, then the next one is pointed up, then the next one is set to be point down. It's very important that you make sure you're paying attention to your pattern so that when you build your platonic solid, it comes out correctly. Some of them require all of the triangles to be pointed towards the center. If you have any questions, let me know and enjoy.